fill they motherfucking head up with this ghetto dope.
Time to break these hoes
Got my nigga
off.
Bun B, Pimp C, UGK, and hooked up with Master P. We about to bring this shit across the board. You heard me? From Texas to New Orleans. Hustler, baller, gangster, cap pillar. Who I be? Your neighborhood drug dealer. A young nigga that's bout it. I mean these no limit soldiers. We get rowdy. I got something for y'all haters. Y'all can't fade us. Ghetto cheese and drug deals, that what made us. Now I'm space age pimpin', but not A-ball. Don't make me get stupid and leave your fucking blood on the wall. About to go psycho and load this rifle. I'm from the project where we all think alike though. And killing ain't nothing but a hobby. Don't make me do a fucking 187 robbery. Like some brand new Jordans, you tied up. You sound like a chicken, so it's time to get plucked by a gangster. Keep one up in the chamber. Don't make me wear your ass like some 85 Wrangler. Now you all screwed up like DJ Screw. Don't have my money, nigga, fuck you in your book.